Hey everybody, my name is Austin. You're watching AFT, Aussie's Fragrance Talk, and today I'm going to be doing a live unboxing and review, first impressions of Phillip Plein No Limits. So this is one that I've heard a lot about from my buddy Andrew. He's always telling me, next time you get something from Gema Shop, get this. It's like $25. It's a Alberto Marias masterpiece. Gotta try it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see right behind me, I have probably some more exciting fragrances than this, but I thought let's start with the designer one, and then we work our way up to this guy. I'm very excited for these, and those are going to be in an upcoming video, but right after this intro, we're going to dive into No Limits. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to dive into this unboxing. Bear with me. I'm probably going to do a little speed run time lapse of me unwrapping this because you don't care about that, but then we're going to smell it. That's kind of fun. Huh. No Limits. Alright, well, nothing left to do but to do the thing, so I'm going to spray it. The atomizer kind of sucks. Ooh, I like this in the air. So I haven't looked at notes yet on this. I get leather and kind of chocolate so far. Hey, this isn't so bad. Hold on. It smells actually really good in the air. It's different than what I was expecting. This is good. I can tell you for what I paid already, this is well worth it. This was like $25 or $26. This is like a no-brainer already. I get like a spiced leather with chocolate. This is actually really refreshing, and it's oddly refreshing and kind of fresh feeling for being leather and chocolate and spice. It's got this kind of like watery feel to it. It's really kind of weird, but I like it. All right. Well, screw it. Let me put it on skin. Why not? Actually, atomizer might not be all that bad. It is really wide. I just have never used one with an integrated atomizer like this. It's not that bad. I put a lot on. I don't know if you can tell that or not. My arm is like lighting up right there. This is actually really kind of good. Without looking through the notes and trying to like pick out stuff and tell you how I feel, I would say that this is really solid, and I think that for the price that you pay, this is a no-brainer. Phillip Plein No Limits. This actually seems like it's going to be fairly complex for a designer too, because it's already kind of changing. Like I just got way more vanilla to it as I smelled it on skin versus the strip. Yeah, like next to no vanilla here. And then that's like spicy vanilla with chocolate and leather, as opposed to leather with spice and chocolate with a little vanilla. This is really good. Hell yeah, I can't wait to wear this for the colder months. This, for a 50 ml being $26, $25, absolutely worth it to try and get your free shipping or whatever. That's how I used it to like tick over into that $100 mark, just so I didn't have to pay $15 or $16 for shipping or whatever the hell it was. So pay like $10 more, you get a fragrance too. Why not? I almost get like a like an anise vibe, like a what do you call it? Like a licorice sort of thing to it. It's actually really nice. I just got a whiff of something I didn't like. Hold on. I don't know if I'm sniffing it too heavy up close now, but this is, I got like some sulfury egg sort of smell for a second, but I feel like that might have just been some weirdness happening and not actually the fragrance. This is really good. I apologize. I know I've said that a few times now in this 4-minute clip, so I do apologize for that, but this is solid. For the money that you pay, this is already a no brainer. This could last 4 hours, it would still be a no brainer just to spray it. Hard to go wrong. I would say that this is probably a good 7 out of 10, honestly. This is solid. Give it a shot. All right, so I'm checking in just a few minutes later after I've let the fragrance dry a little bit. No limits. And I still really like this. So now I have notes pulled up that I'm going to kind of reference to see if I can pick out what's in here. But just to kind of restate it, on skin it was for a second like a blast of leather with chocolate and spices. And then it quickly transitioned into this prominent vanilla with those other facets that I mentioned, and then kind of added in like this woody thing to it. This smells really good, and it's oddly fresh, which now I'm looking at notes or whatever that's on Fragrantica, and there is this watery note accord listed, which makes sense because for as dense as what I'm seeing should be, this is oddly kind of airy and fresh, which seems like it's some Alberto Marias sorcery. I have no idea. I'll go ahead and throw on what I'm seeing now, but I can confirm this has star anise in there, anise, and kind of feel good about that after my ultra zest video. I needed that redemption. I did get like a slight licorice smell, so I'm glad that there's anise in here to kind of confirm that. So black pepper, cardamom, cloves, I could get that. Watery notes, star anise, cinnamon, ginger, bergamot, dark chocolate, vanilla, incense, amber, leather, yes, definitely. Woodsy notes, oud. Don't know if there's actually oud in there. Patchouli and cedar. So a woody chocolate vanilla with spice and slight freshness. I'm down for that. I like this stuff. I keep putting it upside down. This is $26. You can blind buy this and you probably won't regret it. And actually, I kind of like this built-in atomizer. This, I don't have any like 1 million or Amen flankers or anything like that. So this is the first one that I've used like that, but it's kind of a wide spray. The first like priming sprays were kind of terrible, but beyond that, pretty good. So I have literally zero complaints about this other than that slight like eggy smell that I got for a split second, but I think that was just me getting way too close to it and breathing something in. I don't get that in the air. I can obviously wear this and check in with my fiance, see what she thinks, if she gets that note or that kind of vibe to it, but I don't think that she will. This seems like a no-brainer. I mean, obviously, I have no skin in the game. If you just simply want to watch content, more than happy for that. I have no agenda to push. I get no money for selling you no limits or anything like that. I'm just trying to make videos about what I buy and enjoy and share my experience with you all. So I hope you can appreciate that, and I hope you appreciate these kind of raw first impressions. And thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you tune in for the next one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.